Stillwater Public Schools in the spotlight. It's back in the courtroom. Last year, Jesse Butler was arrested, charged with a slew of charges, including attempted rape and domestic assault and battery. We told you he pled no contest to all charges, was granted youthful offender status, allowing him to go from facing up to 78 years in prison to no jail time. Now an evidentiary hearings taking place, focusing on claims that victims' rights were violated under Marcy's law. Fox 25's Emma McAndrews joining us live from the Payne County Courthouse, where the hearing has been happening today. Emma, what can you tell us?
Well, Adam, today we heard for the victim whose mother filed this motion for over 2 hours of testimony. Now, during her testimony, the victim got emotional at several points where the judge actually sent the court into recess. She said she felt her story during the proceedings was no longer hers, and her story, quote, didn't matter anymore. Now, this whole motion revolves around the victim and if Marcy's law was violated. Now, we ended the day hearing from the victim's mother, who also took the stand, where she claimed that the state, during the proceedings of the criminal case, felt her daughter was blamed and accused of something she did not do. Now, Marcy's law grants an amount of certain rights for victims, which is what this case revolves around.
Some of those rights include being able to converse about a meaningful plea bargain. Some of those rights are about whether you were treated with respect and dignity. The right to notification. I think one of the really important rights, too, that we don't hear a lot about is that when a victim notifies that they're going to use the victim's rights law, that the defense and no representative of the defense or family member can contact them until the trial, until they actually go to court.
Now, this is what the court has to decide. If Marcy's law was violated, and if it was, they have to decide what the repercussions of that will be. Now, they will reconvene tomorrow at 9 a.m. here at the Payne County Courthouse. Reporting live, Emma McAndrews, Fox 25 News.
Thank